Well, welcome back to the shop. This is part 3 of a little video series that I'm doing about 6 things that I think that make for an awesome workshop. In this video, we're going to be talking about number 3 and number 4. Number 3 being electrical outlets, and number 4 being dust collection or air filtration system. When it comes to outlets in your shop, it's really important that you have enough of them and that they're equally distributed throughout the shop so that no matter where you are and you need to plug something in, that there's an outlet close by. So I also recommend highly that you hire a licensed electrician to help you accomplish all that. They're going to help you with design and layout and making sure that everything is up to code and safe for you. I want you to protect your investments and protect yourself. The last thing I'm going to mention in regards to electrical outlets is a reel that I have mounted at the ceiling of my workshop. It's a great addition for me and I want to show it to you. Let's check it out. So I'm sure you guys have seen these before. It's just a simple, I think this is a 50-foot reel with a 3-prong on it. It's all coiled up, and when you need it, you just pull it. And I have it mounted on the ceiling, so when I pull it down, I can drag it pretty much anywhere in my shop. And then when you're done with it, you just retract it back up and it's out of your way. Now, the biggest benefit to me and how I use it in the shop is I use it over my workbench. I'm standing on my workbench, and so if I need to plug in any jigsaws or little routers or something like that, I plug it into this. And I love the fact that when I plug my tool in, that the cord is above me and hanging down instead of hanging over my workbench or worse, over the workpiece that I'm trying to work on. So very beneficial, pretty cheap, very easy to install, and you'll get great results from this. Trust me, go out and get one today. Next, we're going to move on to number 4, which is right here. You can kind of see this section of it, is my air filtration unit. We're going to talk about that, and then we're going to go down there and talk about my dust collector. Let's go. Climbing a ladder again. All right, so this is the unit that I have. It's a jet air filtration system is what they call it. Basically what this thing does is it scrubs and cleans the air in the workshop. So when there's dust flying around and particles, instead of it leaving it suspended in the air, it actually draws it through here, filters it out, and spits out clean air on the other side. So this is kind of the working end. This is where the motor on the inside works to draw the air in. It first draws it through this pre-filter, which is the blue one. And then once it gets past the blue one, it goes into what they call a bag filter. It literally looks like a bag. And once it gets through there, again, the fan sucks it through, blows it out on the other side where it comes out as clean, fresh air. And this just keeps running and running, and I can set it up on a timer, and it just works extremely well. It's really a must for your shop because your health is your #1 concern, and you don't want to be breathing in tons and tons of dust for over years and years and years. All right, that's it. I'm done climbing ladders for the day. Let's go down for the last time and check out my dust collector. Okay, so the last thing we're talking about today is the dust collector that I have in the shop. This system, to me, goes along with the air filtration system. If you have one, you kind of have them both. Because what this system does is it takes care of the sort of the bulkier sawdust that is coming from table saws and other machines that you may be having running in the shop. And then the fine particle stuff is taken care of by the air filtration unit. So this is a small little unit. It's not very big at all, and I just don't have a high demand right now. It's just a 4-inch little line that comes out. I have it teed running to a table saw, and then I have a 4-inch line that runs across the shop to feed some other stuff, and then I have another tee up in the ceiling that runs and feeds some other units as well. So it's very simple. It kind of works on the same principles as the air filtration system. It's got a motor that draws a vacuum through this line. It uses a filter, and then it dumps all that big particle waste down in a bag beneath that. Once it fills up, I just empty. So again, these two units kind of go together in my opinion. So if you can afford them both, man, that's kind of the way to go. So that's kind of it for these things. I'm looking forward to guys to doing the next video. We're going to be talking about shop air, and then we'll be getting into probably storage. I might combine those 2 videos together. But thanks for joining me today, guys. Thanks for staying with me. I hope you're learning some stuff. I know this is kind of like just a flyover, but if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments section. If you're on our website, engage with us there. You can always email me if you have further questions. Links will be in the notes section below if you guys want to take a look at any of this stuff on Amazon. If you do purchase through there, it really helps to benefit us and supports Training Hands Academy. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.